If you're having trouble getting your Windows device to connect via a mobile hotspot, do not worry, as this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Now, the first step should always be to run the network adapter troubleshooter. In order for you to do that, open Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, scroll down to Network Adapter, then click Run to begin the process. Now, the troubleshooter will scan for any potential issues and then provide some advice on how to resolve them. Next, update your network adapters. In order for you to do that, open Device Manager, expand Network Adapter, right-click on your Wi-Fi driver, then choose Update Driver. Now you have to click Search for automatically for drivers. Lastly, modify adapter settings. To do so, open Settings, click Network and Internet, open Advanced Network Settings, click More Network Adapter Options, then right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, select Properties, switch to Sharing tab, and then check the box next to this option, then click OK to save the changes. And those are possible ways on how you can fix mobile hotspot not working in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.